Hey you guys, I am so happy it is September and I can celebrate Soup-tember with you. I'm going to share with you 5 really awesome soup recipes. I'm going to be making soup all month long. I love the changing of the seasons. It's finally time where I can cook some really awesome soups. The weather is cooling off, which I love. So I'm going to share with you 5 really great soups today. Like I said, I'm going to be sharing soups with you all September long, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you love soup as much as I do, you're gonna love these recipes. The recipes will be in the description box, so check that out if you want to make these. Let's get cooking. This first soup is going to be a tortellini soup, and I'm adding some chicken in. So I have my Dutch oven, and I cut my chicken up into some small pieces. I just used 1 chicken breast. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and I'm going to give this just a little mix around, give it a stir. I'm going to cook this chicken through. So I'm just going to stir it every couple of minutes to make sure all the sides get cooked. Now I'm going to add in a can of Italian-style diced tomatoes. This is a really easy recipe, but I'll put it in the description box, so check that out if you want to make it. I have my better than bouillon to make my chicken broth, and I'm using 4 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to also add in 1 cup of milk to make this a little creamy. Give this a stir. I am going to cook this on low for about 20 to 30 minutes. So here it is, all nice and cooked, and now I'm going to add in my frozen cheese tortellini. So I'm just going to add this into my Dutch oven. I'm going to cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes until these tortellinis are cooked, and then this is ready to go. This is a really quick recipe, and it's so hearty with the chicken and the cheese tortellini, and it's just got a really great flavor. So I love this one. It's a huge, huge hit and so quick and easy. I'm going to make a lentil soup in my crock pot. I have been loving lentils lately, a really great source of protein, and just really nice mixing it up to do a veggie soup. I have about 3 stalks of chopped up celery. I'm going to use baby carrots. I have a cup of chopped up baby carrots. I have this fire roasted tomato salsa that has a really wonderful flavor, and I have a can of tomato sauce. You can use any kind of salsa you'd like for this one though. I'm going to use a tablespoon of minced garlic, a can of corn that I'm going to drain before I add in. I have a can of kidney beans that I will wash and drain as well. And I'm going to give this a nice stir. I just love kind of mixing up and making a veggie dish at least once a week. And this one is still high in protein. If you've been around my channel, you know I love high protein meals. So lentils are just a really great, healthy source of protein and really budget friendly as well. I'm going to cook this in my crock pot for 7 hours on low. You can do 7 to 8 hours, and this comes out so great. This is so hearty, so filling. This is just absolutely perfect for soup season. Definitely a really great, easy dump and go crock pot soup. So this is ready to go. I also have a lot of leftovers for this, so I am going to freeze these in my silicone freezer soup molds that I use constantly. I use these all the time and love making a bunch of soup to stock up in my freezer to have for leftovers. I'm going to do a classic chicken noodle soup, and this one is just, it's a family favorite, and like I said, it's just a classic. I have my chopped up carrots, I have some garlic powder, a teaspoon, I have some Italian seasoning, about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to add in my chicken broth. I have 4 cups of chicken broth, and I'm going to cook this on low for about 7 hours. You can do 7 to 8 hours on low. So now my chicken is all cooked, ready to go. I'm going to remove it from the broth, and I'm going to shred it with my chicken shredder, and then I'll add it back in. But this chicken just cooks really great. It is so tasty in the broth and the carrots. I'm going to add in my egg noodles. I'm going to do 4 cups of egg noodles, and I'm going to add this into the crock pot while I shred the chicken. So I'm going to add the noodles in, then I'll put the lid back on, and then it'll cook for about 20 minutes, and then these noodles will be perfect. But while they're cooking, I will shred that chicken. So I use a chicken shredder that I just get so much use out of. It was like $6 on Amazon. I'll put a link to this one in the description box. I use it all the time. So it has these little kind of spikes on the bottom. It has some little spikes on the top as well. So I'm just gonna push it down onto there a little bit. And then I'll put the top on. There's the little spikes on the top. So you just press it down, you give it a little spin, and then your chicken comes out really great and shredded. Super easy. You can shred your chicken with a fork and some tongs as well if you'd like. Or you can, a lot of people like to use like a mixer to shred their chicken. I just think this way is really easy and quick for me. So I'm gonna, now the noodles are cooked for about 20 minutes, I'm gonna add this chicken in. And this is just such a tasty soup. It's really hearty as well. So I like a soup that just definitely has some filling to it, if you will. So it's really great with the chicken, with the noodles. I love carrots in soup as well. So this one has really awesome flavor and it's a family favorite. It's a classic and it will always be on our rotation during soup season because everyone loves it so much. And I love that it makes a nice big serving so it can feed the whole family and you can even possibly have some leftovers. I'm going to do a creamy chicken taco soup. I have some diced onion. I have some garlic as well. So I'm going to add all that into my Dutch oven. I'm going to brown this a little bit until they're a little soft. And then I am going to add in the rest of my ingredients. This is going to be, it's just a really easy kind of dump and go. So I have some fajita seasoning. I'm going to add in some cooked chicken later. I already have some leftover cooked chicken, which I always usually have a bunch of cooked chicken in our refrigerator because we eat a lot of it. I'm going to use this fire roasted salsa. Again, it's so good. This is just great tomatoes to use. I have some corn as well. I'm going to drain the corn. I have black beans. I will wash and drain the black beans before I add them in. We love anything kind of taco related or fajita related. So this one's a huge hit and it's very hearty as well. Just love a good hearty soup. So I'm going to add in my chicken broth, and I always use this better than bouillon. You can use any kind of chicken broth you would like, but I have 4 cups of chicken broth that I'm going to add in. I'm going to give this a little stir. I will cook this on low and let it simmer. So Dutch oven soups are really quick and easy. This takes about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, and you have a really awesome dinner ready to go. So I'm just going to put the lid on, let this simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then it'll be ready to add in. I have some heavy cream that I'm going to add in as well as the cooked chicken. So I have my heavy whipping cream. I'm going to add 2 cups of the heavy whipping cream. This is going to make it nice and creamy, which I love a good creamy soup. I have my cooked chicken. You can use any kind of cooked chicken. You can use rotisserie chicken. This is 2 chicken breasts that I poached, which I like to have just chicken breasts always handy in our refrigerator, either poached or I cook it a lot in the crock pot and shred it up. So adding in that cooked chicken, and this is ready to go. Such an awesome, creamy taco soup. Just absolutely love it. It is delicious and easy. I'm going to do a chicken chili. Love chilies. Some people don't consider them a soup, but I do. I think that they are just as much a soup as anything else. So I have 2 chicken breasts. I have some great northern beans. I have some diced tomatoes with green chilies, which I love it with green chilies. They have awesome flavor. And I just love any kind of chili. It is so hearty. And you can kind of mix it up a little bit, but it's so easy. This is just dump and go. Just dump it all in the crock pot. I'm adding in my kidney beans that are washed and drained. I'm going to add in a can of corn. I will drain that first before I add the corn in. And crock pot recipes are kind of my go-to. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I use my crock pot. So it's just really great with soups and chilies. So I am going to add in a can of chili because it just has great flavor and it really gives it that good chili flavor for this recipe. I'm adding in also a packet of ranch seasoning mix, and this will be ready to go once I add in the chicken broth. So this is just really easy. Dump it all in and then you'll have a really awesome dinner at the end of the day with very, very minimal effort. So I used 2 cups of chicken broth. Going to give this a little stir. and then I will let this cook all day. So I am going to cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. You can cook these also on high for 3 to 4 hours if you would like. So now that it's done, I'm just going to shred the chicken with my tongs, just in the crock pot with everything else. You can take it out and remove it. You can use your chicken shredder or any way you want to shred your chicken up. But this is so tasty, so delicious. I hope that you enjoyed these 5 soup recipes to get you started on Soup-tember. If you want to make any of them, the recipes will be in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great one.